Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Smart TV. And in today's video, I will show you on how to restart or how you can reset your Google TV. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to your settings on your Google TV. On getting to settings, go ahead and hit on OK. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead, continue to scroll down right here until you get to system right here. Go ahead and hit on OK. On getting to system, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on about. Then you are here. Come down below right here where you have reset. Go ahead and click on it and factory reset. Once you click on factory reset, then be ready to lose everything you have on the TV and the TV become new. It's that simple. You can reload your Google account or an old app that you have on the Google TV. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Google TV, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.